All right, everybody, it's that time. It's time for the drawing for the Den Schools Flood the Page event. How it's going to work is we're going to go to random.org. We're going to generate a random number between 1 and 31 because we had 31 posts in the month of June. Then we're going to go over here to the posts and we're going to start with the first post or the last post in June, and we're going to count down. So like, let's say if the number chosen is 10, then we'll count down and we'll say 1, 2, 3, and then we'll scroll down until we get to the 10th post, and then whatever post that is, the author will be the winner. So here we go. Random.org, minimum 1, maximum 31. So it's going to generate a random number between 1 and 31, and the number is 26. So we're going to go to the post. And the last post in June was this one. So we're going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're trying to get to 26, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So our 23rd post, 26. So 23, 24, 25, 26. Our 26th post is the Artistic Pursuits Review by Mindy. So let's do that one more time just to make sure I did that correctly. We're looking for 26. So we're going to say, we'll just count up this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I went too far. All right, we'll count from the bottom down. So we're going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So the 26th is Mindy's Artistic Pursuits Review. Congratulations, Mindy!